Welcome to our comprehensive exploration of one of Europe's most dynamic economies. Today, we're taking a deep dive into Italy's economic landscape, uncovering the forces that shape this G7 nation's financial destiny. The economic foundation, Italy's GDP journey. Let's begin with the numbers that tell Italy's economic story. As of 2023, Italy stands proud with a nominal GDP of approximately $2.3 trillion, making it the eighth largest economy globally and the third largest in the Eurozone. But how did we get here? The past decade has been a journey of resilience. Following the 2008 financial crisis, Italy faced significant challenges with GDP contracting by 5.3%. Then came the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020, delivering another sharp blow. Yet, the Italian economy demonstrated remarkable resilience, bouncing back with a 6.7% growth in 2021. Sector dynamics, the three pillars of Italian economy. The Italian economy rests on three fundamental pillars, each playing a crucial role in the nation's economic tapestry. Let's break them down. The services sector dominates, contributing a substantial 75% of GDP. This includes everything from financial services to telecommunications, but the crown jewel is undoubtedly tourism. With over 60 million international visitors in 2022 alone, tourism generates billions in revenue and supports countless jobs across the country. Manufacturing, the second pillar, accounts for about 15% of GDP. Think of iconic brands like Ferrari, churning out masterpieces of engineering, or Gucci and Prada, defining global fashion trends. The Made in Italy label continues to command premium prices worldwide. Agriculture, while contributing a modest 2% to GDP, plays an outsized role in Italy's economic identity. Italian wines and olive oils dominate global markets, with exports reaching record levels in recent years. The innovation landscape, technology, and transformation. In recent years, Italy has been quietly undergoing a digital revolution. Milan's tech district has emerged as a hub for startups, with investments in Italian tech companies reaching unprecedented levels. The government's transition to digital services, accelerated by the pandemic, has started breaking down the notorious bureaucratic barriers. Regional economic disparities, understanding the North-South divide. Perhaps no economic story about Italy is complete without addressing the stark North-South divide. The numbers tell a compelling story. Northern regions like Lombardy enjoy GDP per capita levels comparable to Germany, while southern regions like Calabria struggle with figures closer to some Eastern European countries. This disparity traces back to the post-World War II industrial boom, which primarily benefited the North. Today, while Milan's unemployment rate hovers around 6%, some southern regions face rates exceeding 15%. Understanding this divide is crucial for grasping Italy's economic challenges. Demographics, the silent economic challenge. Italy faces one of the most significant demographic challenges in Europe. With a median age of 47.3 years and one of the lowest birth rates globally, the working-age population is projected to decline by 30% over the next 25 years. This shift threatens pension sustainability and workforce dynamics. Public finance and debt management. Italy's public debt, standing at approximately 148% of GDP, represents both a challenge and a focal point for economic policy. This high debt level, accumulated over decades, influences everything from government spending to investor confidence. Yet, Italy has shown remarkable skill in managing this debt, maintaining investor confidence through strategic financial policies. The tourism engine, beyond the numbers. Tourism isn't just about visitor numbers, it's about economic interconnections. The sector supports approximately 13% of total employment, creating a multiplier effect across the economy. From luxury hotels in Venice to agriturismos in Tuscany, tourism weaves through Italy's economic fabric, banking and financial services. The economic backbone. The Italian banking sector has undergone significant transformation since 2015. The reduction in non-performing loans from peak levels of 17% to single digits represents one of Europe's most successful banking cleanup operations. This strengthened financial sector now provides crucial support to small and medium-sized enterprises, which form 99% of Italian businesses. International trade and global position. As a founding member of the European Union, Italy's trade relationships span the globe. The country's export machine, valued at over 500 billion euros annually, demonstrates particular strength in machinery, fashion, and food products. Despite global competition, Italian exports continue to grow, finding new markets, particularly in Asia. Future trajectories, challenges, and opportunities. Looking ahead, Italy faces both challenges and opportunities. The government's commitment to digital transformation and green energy transition aligns with EU objectives and positions Italy for future growth. Projects worth billions of euros are underway to modernize infrastructure and boost competitiveness. The projected growth rate of 0.7% for 2024 might seem modest, but it masks the fundamental transformations occurring beneath the surface. From investments in renewable energy to the digitalization of public services, Italy is laying groundwork for sustainable future growth. As we conclude our journey through Italy's economic landscape, one thing becomes clear. This is an economy of contrasts and resilience. Despite challenges, Italy continues to reinvent itself while preserving its unique economic and cultural identity. What role will Italy play in shaping Europe's economic future? How will it address its demographic challenges? These questions will determine not just Italy's trajectory, but influence global economic patterns. Share your thoughts on Italy's economic future in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth economic analysis of the world's most fascinating economies. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Thank you for joining us on this economic journey through Italy. Arrivederci.